It's 7:45 on a Thursday morning and I've just gone to get my daily overpriced cup of coffee on my way to work. I'm about to walk through the big glass doors of a ginormous 15-story building. I'm miserable. I still have a whole 2 days until the weekend. But then I have to come in again on Monday and then again on Tuesday and Wednesday and Thursday for the rest of my life. I've only been here for 3 months and I'm looking ahead at the next 30 years and it looks like a prison sentence. How did I get here? Why do I feel so trapped? What am I doing with my life? When we ask ourselves the question, how do I find my passion? How do I choose my career? We're asking ourselves the wrong questions. Our passion, our career, our life, it's not an end goal, it's a journey. It's continually evolving. We don't just pick one thing. We don't just have one set course. Particularly in this day and age, in 2021, we have careers that didn't even exist. You can create your own career. You can make $9,000 a month just blogging on the internet. The world is truly your oyster, but the thing is that we don't even know what careers are going to be available in the next 2 years. For the generation before us, you picked a career, you stuck with it, but that's just not how the world is today. We don't need to stress ourselves out about picking the career, finding our one true life's passion. I actually believe that passion is formed, not found. You form your passion by continually working at something and getting better at it. And I think that success fuels our passions more than passions fuel our success. The better we get at doing something, we enjoy it so much more. The questions we need to be asking ourselves is not what career am I going to have? What am I going to do with my life? It's what matters to me. What do I value? How do I see myself operating every day? And to understand that, we need to understand ourselves. So instead of going through all of the career options, we're going to look at how to understand what we value and how that aligns with different types of work. As I mentioned earlier, your life, your career, it's not an end goal. It's a continuous journey. And the reason for that is that we as human beings are dynamic. We are continually changing, and what matters to us, what we value, and it changes constantly. And so what you want at 25 might be different to what you need at 40. And so we need to be approaching this question from a different angle. So let's have a look at different types of values and how that aligns with our work. So you want to look for work that meets your needs for autonomy. What is going to suit you most? Do you want to have complete freedom of your time, of your tasks? Or do you like to have guidance and to be told what to do? The second is competence. This gives you a feeling of success, like you're good at what you're doing and that you're skilled in your work. The third is relatedness. This is about how you feel in relation to other people. Is your skill set valued? Are you as a person valued, an integral part of the group? Thomas Frank also gives a great list of 7 different things to understand about your professional persona. When you're working, do you prefer to be building or maintaining? Are you building something new, or are you just maintaining a system, a project that's already been created? And which one of those do you feel like you need on your daily life? For example, with my current work, I am building a business. I'm continually building new systems, creating new videos, new content. Every day I'm creating something new. At my previous job, I was simply maintaining a system that already existed. Granted, had I stayed at that job longer, I potentially would have moved up the ranks and moved into more of a building or creating sort of role. These things you need to understand about the job and the trajectory of the job or career. The second one is, are you using your existing skill sets and only using those, or are you continually learning and developing? For some people, they're happy to stay within their comfort zone. For other people, they need to be learning continually, learning new skills and implementing those new skills, and that gives them a feeling of progressing and developing in their career. Do you need to have complete creative control, or are you happy to be given some sort of direction? What is the level of interaction with others that you're going to need to make sure you've met that human need? There are lots of different human interactions that you can get with different roles. So you can interact with the public at large, with a retail job, or it could be with your co-workers and superiors in an office job, or it could be with clients when you're working and helping individual people through either coaching or consulting. Or are you happy with working completely alone? What level of authority would you be happy with? Would you be happy managing people, or would you prefer to work on your own? Are you someone who likes to be in the spotlight and to get credit for the work that you've done? Or would you prefer to be behind the scenes, in the background, working on the integral system and making sure that everything behind the scenes is working smoothly? And the seventh one that he touches on is work-life balance. Do you like the idea of being location independent? Is it important to you that your work has a hard cut-off time where you can switch off and you can focus purely on your home and personal life? These are the sorts of things to understand about yourself and your own values, so that then you can evaluate different careers and options that are available to you. Once you expose your desires and what you really value, it's a lot easier to make daily choices that align with those values. Take action over your summer, over your weekends. Do an internship, whether it's online or in person. Just pick something that sparks that curiosity. You don't have to be obsessed with it just yet. Just something that makes you say, hey, that's kind of interesting. And work hard on it. Really go all in and find out as much as you can. Talk to your co-workers, talk to your superiors, really learn the ins and outs of what you're doing, because only then can you make an informed decision on whether it's going to be right for you and whether it's going to fit into that dream life plan. If it doesn't fit, if you find that you hate it, then awesome. That time is not wasted. That time has been a gift. Now you know you don't have to spend years pursuing it and gaining a degree that is giving you a qualification that you don't even want. At the end of the day, you can take some pressure off yourselves because you don't need just one career. With the internet evolving how it is and online opportunities, you can have multiple careers. You can work for a company and then you can come home and run your own business online. You're not confined to just one option. And to be honest with you, you don't even need a career. Hear me out. I know that concept sounds so scary, but with the world evolving the way that it is, all we really need to focus on is learning and understanding our values and what we want from life. We need to work on taking on lots of different experiences and being open to opportunity when it arrives. Continually look for opportunities to grow and to develop. Be curious and dream about your ideal life. If you do these things, you'll find yourself moving through life intentionally. You don't need a specific career trajectory to lead an intentional life. Take comfort in knowing that as you move through life, you consistently grow, especially while you're studying, especially when you're still at university. I am not the same person as I was when I first started university, and I'm not where I thought I was going to be. In fact, I'm in a much better place, a place that I could not have even imagined existed. I took risks, I'm trying new things. Is this my career? Is it my forever place? I don't know, and that's the magic of it. I'm going to be continually growing and evolving as the world grows and evolves. That's exactly what we do. We help people find their career path, what they want to study, how to get into their degree. That's what we're here for, and that's what we love to do. So definitely send us a message, comment below if you need any help, and we'll see you in the next one.